Hi viewers, welcome to my channel Numero Genie. In this video, I am going to share with you my friend who got great success with the power of numerology in his business. Before that, let me tell you a joke. There are two friends and one of the friends wanted 1 lakh of rupees from lottery. He prayed God day in and day out for the same. 2 years were over and he did not get anything. His friend, who was so angry with God, requested God, why don't you give him 1 lakh after all? God appeared in front of him and told him, my dear, ask your friend to buy a lottery ticket first. This idiot has been praying God without even buying a ticket. Oh my God. See, we have to put in our best efforts, and with the grace of God and with the power of numerology, you can really achieve great success, no doubt about it. Okay, now let me share with you the real-time story. One fine evening, my friend, Vaidhi's friend, I call him Vaidhi. Vaidhi and his wife came to my house to meet me. My friend, for some reasons, he resigned the job. So, they want my advice. What is the next move? It's really, they were worried. And, it's a tense moment for me also, because they have come for guidance and I had to give a proper guidance to them. So I went through astrology, numerology, palmistry and tried to figure out what is best for them. I asked him one question, what do you know? He replied me saying that he has got sound knowledge in statutory affairs. Taking that point, we have debated, discussed, brainstormed and finally came to a conclusion that we want to create a name for his business. The business related to statutory affairs. For the first time in my life, I was fixing a name for the business. So, the business name with a powerful name number is Statutory Aids. The name itself self-explanatory for the type of business what is going to do. Superb. Also, I made some changes in his personal name. That's it. Before continuing this story, I want to give a brief about my friend Vaidhi. Vaidhi has a smart eyes, smiling face and attractive speech. Apart from that, he is also born in the number of 3 group. When I say 3 group, it is date 3 or 12 or 21 or 30. All the 4 numbers come under 3 group. The most amazing point in this 3 group is they are hard workers. Their hard work is amazing and nobody can match that. Point number 2, they have abundant energy physically and mentally. Point number 3, they give respect and love for true friendship. Point number 4. They have never die attitude. Once they take up the matter, they will work for it, whether it's a mission or goal or objective and whatsoever. Finally, they have order, method, system and discipline. These are the 5 beautiful qualities of number 3. Let's get back to the story. We'll continue from there. So we have fixed the name, the statutory aids. A great business are born in that particular day with few hundreds. We put a name board for him and he has printed some visiting cards and kick-started the business. Within few years, he has got a significant development in his business. Amazing success, I can say. For me also, that particular day was significant because it helped me to enter into the names of business and many success came after that dealing with the business names. It has also developed my horizons to solve the problems of childbirth, to solve the problems of door numbers, to give proper date for launch of brands, color combinations and letter energy, name energy, so on. And also to develop a positive energy in everybody's profession. These are the 5 areas which I could also able to expand for a period of time. However, that particular date was very important to me on 2 reasons. One is Vaiti gifted me 25 rupees for my consultation. So I got consultation fees of 25 from him. This first ever. And after that, many business houses, names I kept, they're all flourishing. I got thousands and lakhs. That's all immaterial, but that 25 rupees is was very important to me. It's recorded in my mind. Secondly, that was the first time I kept a name for business. These 2 reasons, it's still green in my memory. I thought I can share with you this successful experience of mine and also of my friends so that you will understand the power of numerology. Of course, I have to thank Vaiti and his wife Sarada who had given me permission to spell out their names and also their business name to you all. So, on behalf of you and on my own behalf, I thank them. Stay blessed.